So here we are going to start the pH meter. How does it work? So now this is our pH meter, and we have here three solution. I can see here pH 4, pH 7 and pH 10, this one, and this is our instruction for this machine. How does it work? So basically here it is written, I can see this one is written clearly. pH series is pH 4, 7, 10. It can be used, and we need to, when we are going to calibration this pH meter, we need a like beaker or glass, yes, and a little bit of distilled water, because every time we use the solution we have to clean this indicator. This is the machine. I started here from Noni. Yes, first I try to clean it. This indicator, these two places is very important, and I take a tissue paper peri ibatan wahan tassa no se oli vähän ok. Yes, so I press calibration. First is that calibration. It said the last calibration, last it is showing the last calibration. My instruction is here, so last calibration is this, and then I press this one. Okay, I press this one called temperature 25, then I use, press again. Now it's saying the dip in electrode in the buffer 1. So ensimmäinen oli pH 4. Otan sen. Yes, I have already cleaned this stick. I have to be careful. And I press it here, and a little bit move.
Confirm.
And I press this one. You need to wait a while, and this is very important to wash every solution before using. So yeah, so we got 4. So I take it away. Now I have to clean this one immediately. Yes, I close it. Yeah. So now I have cleaned this one. I'll make it dry a little bit with the towel, because this is the sensitive indicator. Otherwise this water will go to the solution, and it will make difference pH. So now I go for buffer second one, buffer 1. Deep in buffer 2 is showing here. So I go for here. I go for buffer 2 solution. And then I press confirmation. Now a little bit, I move it a little bit so that the solution mix, it goes properly. Yes, tulos oli tullut nopeampi, vaan tuolla 7. Buffer 2 is 7. So this one, I close it, and I put again some water, wash it immediately. So now this is this one. So okay. So now next work is I will, so this one, so now I press this one.
Yeah.
Confirmation. Now we will be ready to the calibration will be ready. No niin, tässä oli rikkihaku ja vesi. Nyt lasketaan mikä on geometrisen sano. Mä laitan tohon, se on ihan ok. Mä laitan tohon, mitä se sanoo kanssa. 1.15.
Yeah.
Okay, nyt se on, this is distillation. This is the way we have to find to use the pH meter. This is our lesson.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got this one. I take it this way. Every time after using it, I have to wash it. Pakollinen again.
Joka kerta kun tätä soppaa, se on pakko huuhdella.
Joo. Yes, nyt se meni.
Nyt se on siinä.
Joo, nyt on se. Kiitos.
Kiitos.